What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been so long. It's been like 5 or 6 months since I've been out here, but we're out here on a nice, beautiful day back on the Shenandoah River. Hopefully getting to some smallmouth here. Today I'm going to be testing out this new Nikko 2.4 inch Craw, the Eclipse color. So hopefully we can get on them. Stay tuned, see what happens. Here you go, guys. There you go. Second cast of the day. Nice little smallie. There you go. First fish of 2026 on the new Nikko Craw. Here we go, guys. First fish of 2026. So we get on some more on the old Nikko Craw. Let's get a good release on him here. There you go, bud. Alright, guys, I caught that fish here on the new Nikko Craw 2.4 inch in the Eclipse color. It's like a nice natural color here. I got it hooked on with a 1/0 Gamakatsu G-lock hook with a 1/16 ounce bullet weight. It's a nice Texas rig here. That did the trick. We're gonna see if we can get some more. I'm using the got a Casking Predator 2 medium light rod with a 3000 series Zephyr spinning reel. I think with 8-pound braid. Let's see if we can get on some more here. Good start. That was only my second cast. There we go. Second fish of the day. on that Nikko Craw, new 2.4 inch smallmouth candy here. Nice little fighter. There we go, got him in the net. Fish number 2. All right. And a nice little smallie on that new Nikko Craw. Eclipse color. Nice little chunk. That's something going on the spine. Not sure what that is. Let's get him back in the water. Thanks for biting, bud. Well, guys, so far I'm loving this bait here. I had a feeling this was going to be smallmouth candy. Fish number 2 within a couple of casts. All I'm doing, guys, I'm just throwing up here in this current. I'm just letting this bait drift, let the current do the work. Let's let it drift down here. These little deeper pools. Really not doing anything, lifting up on it here and there. But I'm not doing much work at it at all. Just nice finesse presentation. Guys, fish number 3. That's a good. There we go. That's a nice one. Nice little smaller. Nice little fighter there. Digging hard. Everybody. There we go. Fish number 3. Nikko Craw, 2.4 inch. There we go. Nice one. Fish number 3. Nice little smallie there. Let's get a release on him. Thanks for biting, bud. There he goes. My little fish counter there. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for checking it out. We were able to get on a few today using that new 2.4 inch Nikko Craw. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can find those, as well as a code to get 10% off. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will catch you all on the next one. Have a great day and God bless. See ya.